Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can use Turnitin as a student. In order to do so, here we are at Turnitin.com, and what is Turnitin all about? Well, you can bring transparency to the writing process with Turnitin Clarity. Advanced learning with an AI writing detection solution built for educators, and student success starts here. Uphold academic integrity, assessments with transparency into AI usage, foster original thinking. Got customer stories here that you can take a look at. And if you are interested in using this as a student, if you head up here to the top where it says log in, then you can see that we can log in as an instructor or a student. So once you have gotten started, then you can come here to log in and get started with Turnitin. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist that's all about Sintra and use our referral link to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you use our referral link, you can get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.